Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the different parts that are used in an pedestal fan. So where you can see a coil where I'm trying to insert into the rotor. This is called the stator of this induction motor. This green colored one, which is nothing but the rotor, which is nothing but a squirrel cage rotor. So we should insert this stator like this, and we have to do the screwing. So I have dismantled this pedestal fan only to showcase you the different parts that are used in the pedestal fan. And here you can see a black colored box, which is nothing but capacitor start and capacitor run type of capacitor, and we have to reassemble it like this. By regularly cleaning the winding with dust and dirt will make our fan to rotate with the required speed, and proper greasing of this bearing will make the fan to run with maximum speed. Thank you for watching.